Hello everyone, this is Harsh, the tech guy, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to activate a really unique feature in Windows called God Mode. So are you excited? This feature is an alternative of all the settings that are present in the Windows 10 and in the control panel. So you can see this control panel. It's a great tool and not hard to use, but some of the settings are, and I will say that many of the settings are not present in the first screen, and some of are in the different places, so many of the users find some difficulties to open the settings. So but what if we take all the settings and put them in a nice folder in our desktop, and it will be a very easy to use. So yes, we can do it. It is called God mode. So I'm going to show you how to activate a God mode in your system. So first step, we need to right click on our desktop and we will create a new folder. Now we have to rename this folder. Okay, and here we have to paste a code, and the code that belongs to the God mode, and I'm showing you the code. This code, you can see, you are looking to my screen. This code is the activation setup for the God mode, and you have to paste this code exactly as it is, because if you will do any type of mistake or error, then it will not work. So, and also the code is given in my video description, so go ahead and paste that code. So I am copying this, and you can see that I have pasted this code. And don't worry, the Windows will manage this big file code. So now after pasting this code, you have to press enter, and now you see that we have different looking icon like this control panel. You can see this is control panel, and this icon is also same like control panel. So now double click on this, and now here you can see that all the settings that God mode provides are available in there. You can see these are the same settings that you find in the control panel, and how much it is wonderful. And here you can see you have access, you can also access to the administrative tools, then backup and restore. You can also backup and restore your system, and there is also date and time settings, and devices, printers, access center, and file. There are lots of the settings. The whole settings in your Windows 10 is provided in just a single folder. So this is the God mode. Now one of the great things about this, that we can go through any of these settings easily, and I'm showing you. So any of the, let's say you want to click this device manager, and you can see we have opened our device manager, and from here you can open all the settings that are available in the Windows 10. So alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and know about the God mode. If you have any queries, then you are free to comment in my video. So that's it. I will see you in the next video.